Hi, good morning, everyone. Today is 25th of April 2017, and आज I'm back. I was out of town as I told you before. I left. मैंने आपको बोला था कि मैं मंडे को शायद ना बना पाऊँ वीडियो, but yes, I could not make it. But then मैं जब अपने हॉलीडेज पे भी थी, तो मैं देख रही थी जो फर्स्ट वेबिनार हुआ है उसके जो जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, it was just buzzing like anything and they have made such wonderful trades. तो आज पहले निफ्टी की बात करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद मैं वो स्टॉक्स दूंगी जो उन्होंने आइडेंटिफाई किया है, राइट. And out of them, of course, I also came to the same conclusion. But the thing is, I want to show how and what is the confidence level now. Once they have done the, training program, now they understand what it really means. All right. So let's start with our day with Nifty. Now see, today the Nifty has opened gap up and उसका देखिए 15 मिनट का सेटअप है और ये 200 मूविंग एवरेज है, ये 50 मूविंग एवरेज है और ये 10 मूविंग एवरेज है, राइट. दोनों ने कल 10 मूविंग एवरेज और 50 मूविंग एवरेज ने 200 मूविंग एवरेज को क्रॉस किया था, ठीक है. एंड दैट वाज द रीजन निफ्टी ओपन्ड अ लिटिल बिट गैप अप. नाउ आज जो मुझे लगता है कि एज ऑफ नाउ वेयर वी स्टैंड, मुझे थोड़ा सा लगता है कि निफ्टी चलते चलते जो है थोड़ा सा थक गई है अंटिल देयर इज अ ह्यूज बुल रन अप दैट मे कम अप. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे जाके थोड़ा सा हो सकता है ऊपर जाए और फिर ऐसे करके कप शेप बना के हो सकता है नीचे आए, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है MACD का ऑलरेडी क्रॉस ओवर is about to happen, but it has not yet happened. And Nifty is in the overbought region, right? You can see it over here. It's about at 81 or so. So I have a feeling that there may be a bit of profit booking that may come, right? But that is Nifty. Now, see, I gave you Marico about a few days back. So Marico has just given such a beautiful run up today. And many of you must have done it in futures. If you have done so, I think it's time to book the profit. Or maybe आज थोड़ा और, I think it is time to book the profit, because अगर आप देखेंगे थोड़ा टेक्निकल सेटअप भी इसका अब ओवरबॉट की तरफ जा रहा है और MACD क्रॉस होने की भी पॉसिबिलिटी है विद द डाइवर्जेंस. सो दिस इज Marico. But before I give the stock that the webinar members have found, I want to tell you the stocks that I gave you, which is again the bike hospitality has been doing pretty much well all throughout. But I want to show you Cyient. I want to show you Cyient, how Cyient has done. Cyient has such a big bull run yesterday. Like this is its, see here. This is the time when we bought it here, and from this point, which is 492, it has gone up to 547 also today, right? This is the kind of hike that it has, taken. These are the stocks that we identify and we learn to identify in the webinar. The ones which are like, I'll show you one stock. Maybe that will make you understand more clearly कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ. There is one or two stocks, which have been just moving wherever they are for almost, ये इस तरह का जो भी सिनेरियो होता है ना, जहाँ की स्टॉक आपको मूवमेंट नहीं देता है. सपोज आपने इसको यहाँ पे बाय कर लिया, इस ग्रीन कैंडल के साथ बाय कर लिया, या यहाँ पे कहीं पे बाय कर लिया और ये इस नैरो रेंज में ही घूम रहा है और ये कब से हो रहा है? 7 फरवरी से हो रहा है. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 मंथ्स इसी रेंज में ये स्टॉक घूमे जा रहा है. ये इस तरह के बड़े फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग ट्रेड्स होते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि ना तो ये आपको मतलब देयर इज नो ग्रोथ ओवर हियर, ना ऊपर जा रहा है स्टॉक ना नीचे जा रहा है, राइट? हम क्या ढूंढते हैं? हम ऐसे स्टॉक ढूंढते हैं जो कि हमको ये ब्रेकआउट दे दे, इस तरह का ब्रेकआउट दे दे. विद इन अ वीक्स टाइम वी शुड गेट अ गुड ब्रेकआउट एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी look for, and that is what we actually do and learn in the webinar also. ठीक है. So then I told you about Cyient, and I want to show you also what this Nath Biogene has also done. Yesterday it was at a peak. यहाँ इसने लगाया था 228. हमने इसको यहाँ पे खरीदा था कहीं पे 180 के आसपास खरीदा था यहाँ पे कहीं पे, और वहां से लेके ये 228 तक जा चुका है. ऑलमोस्ट 20% रिटर्न आपको मिल चुकी है. So as I was on holiday, and I was looking into the WhatsApp group that we have made. So the members have identified this called Balkrishna Industries. Can you see? Can you see? This is what it's run up today. This is what it's run up today, right? Starting from, I think ये इन्होंने मुझे बता दिया था सैटरडे को. So this is Saturday's candle. 14 ये कहाँ पे बंद हुई थी? 1408 पे बंद हुई थी. और it started from next day it opened at little gap up which is 1416. वहाँ से लेके और आज इसने एक हाइक लगाया है 1485 का. Almost 75 points. 70 points up means it is good 5% run up that you have got, right? So these are the kinds of stocks that we identify, and if you look into its one-day setup, I think this stock should be in the bull run for next couple of weeks at least. But the only contention that I may have is the Nifty might take a direction in the downward direction. There is a possibility, as Nifty is almost on a lifetime high and almost heading towards again the double peak. So there is a possibility that there may be a reversal in Nifty, and in that case there may be some bit of profit booking. So each and every person in the webinar have actually understood how to spot the opportunity. Do you want to see how Hubtown is doing? This is how Hubtown is doing. I mean, I think now you can see how each and every stock that I have given you has given you this beautiful long run up. जब I'm sure all of you remember हमने इसको 92, 93, 94 की बात अराउंड बात की थी और ये आज है 130 पे, राइट? ये इतना बढ़िया 40 नहीं, हमने इसकी बात की थी अराउंड वही बात की थी 95, 96 के करीब बात की थी. उसके बाद ये फर्स्ट रन अप आया, फिर ये यहाँ जा रहा है. This is the kind of stocks that we discuss and discover and make a strategy about in our webinar. And I'm so happy. जितने भी लोग join करें, at least they are becoming confident and they are becoming independent and they are doing the correct trades. They are not losing money. I'm really happy about it, and it gives me a lot of pleasure to see such a growth in all of them. Then I want to show you Thermax. Thermax में मैं आपको 3-4-5 दिन से बोलने लग रही हूँ. This is how Thermax graph is. Like we were talking about somewhere here. 980 के करीब था ये, यहाँ पे कहीं था. यहाँ से लेके और आज ये 1064 को भी 70 को भी टच करके आ गया है. Good 70-80 पॉइंट्स का रन अप इसने आपको दिया है. It's almost like 8% profit that we have got over here. So I have just started the webinar today. You still have an opportunity to join if you want to, and please don't take me wrong. I'm not interested that I just collect the members for earning money. You people lose so much money in stock market, so much of money in stock market, and here I'm promising that you will get whatever money you invest, you will be able to generate that much more, that much same amount back. So learn for lifetime. Like you have to learn today and then you will reap the benefit all this entire life. I mean, had I got an opportunity like this, I would have just grabbed it. So another stock that they have found was Dalmia Bharat. So that also I will show you. It's a day graph. They have identified it somewhere here at this point, 2087, and वहाँ से भी ये आपको I think this is today. This is यहाँ पे उन्होंने ढूंढा था 2057 पे उन्होंने ढूंढा था. This was Friday 21st का ये था. 21st के बाद हमने सैटरडे को ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया था, और यहाँ से देखिए आप 2058 से लेकर एक सेकेंड, ये 2058 है, यहाँ 2061 है, यहाँ से लेकर और इस स्टॉक ने हाइक लगाया है 2132 का इसने हाइक लगाया. गुड 60 पॉइंट्स, अबाउट 3% का रिटर्न आपको इसने एक दिन में दे दिया था, राइट? सो when you understand the methodology, which is not very difficult or anything rocket science, you will be able to identify correct trades. Now जैसे ये आपको याद होगा मैंने अपोलो टायर्स कब बात की थी, जब ये 207 पे था, right? We talked about it when it was at 207 and आज की डेट में ये 243 पे है, right? और if you would have bought its future, you see where would have been we today. So this is how analysis and analyzing your stocks really mean. This is what it does to you. you get the insight. You are in the same direction as the big the funds or the big buyers or the big investors are buying. So your trades will, like, this is an uncharted territory, right? If you remember, I don't know how many of you remember, I gave you a target also 240, or if it crosses 240, then it'll go to 250. Okay? So this was my target for Apollo Tyres. So guys, we had a good start today. We had a good, very wonderful start today, and if you still want to join, you have an opportunity to do so, and you can join the webinar by going into stockpro.co.in and pay the fee and send us an email. And we just had one class today, but of course you can join in. You'll get the recording today, and tomorrow onwards you can join. So let's see what's happening in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is almost on the same footsteps as Nifty, but there may be a possibility in another half an hour's time or so, there may be a bit of profit booking that may come in. So just be a bit more careful now, because the MACD crossover has taken place and RSI is just about to turn, and the candles, the moment candles will leave this 10 moving average, the profit booking will start coming into, and if it goes down, it will go down for about 150 points, right? So this is what I believe, and this is what I think will happen. So let's see how it goes. But as long as candles stay above this 10 moving average, there is nothing which is going to happen. It may go only up in the forward direction. But MACD has crossed, RSI is at 73, but when it crosses 60, then only there will be a confirmation. Alright, so this is Bank Nifty. And Nifty में देखते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है. Nifty में Nifty is also almost in a similar pattern, right? Although this big bullish candles are being formed, and I still believe that this 10 moving average should make a little bit of cup shape, and then it may come down after a while. So this is what my perception is, as it is, MACD is about to cross, and RSI is also in the overbought zone. So I am hoping that it should come down by say another 130 तक इसको थोड़ा सा profit booking इसमें आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? So guys, look at the technical setup that I've been always talking about. You can take a call whenever you want to. So all the best. Do correct trades and do it in the right direction, and I'm sure you will all be successful. All the best. Good day. I'm not giving you a trade today because I haven't identified myself, but the two trades that I have given you has been identified by the members who joined the webinar. So one that I have given you is Balkrishna Industries, right? So one of them is Balkrishna Industries, and the other one is Thermax. Definitely Balkrishna Industries is one. And did I give you another one? I think I did talk about another trade. So anyway, they have figured out another trade called tin. It's called tin plate, right? This is tin plate. ये इतना बड़ा run up दे चुकी है, but अभी आप देख सकते हैं. I think this is 15 minutes. Let me just see what's happening in one day. So this is one day. So this is what a trade they have identified. So what my suggestion will be, you can wait for a while till it comes down a little bit more, say at about 88 or so, then there will be a buying opportunity, right? Let's see what's happening in CUB, City Union Bank. So City Union Bank is here, right? I still am hoping that it should give you another a little run, but somehow I don't know why it's not moving. There should have been a good run up. We'll see for another day or two. अगर नहीं आता है run up, अगर ये next candle से ऊपर नहीं बनती है, then we may take a exit from this. But we'll just wait for another day. Let's see what happens today when the profit booking comes. After today's profit booking, let's see what is the scenario, and hopefully we should be able to have some good profit in CUB also, right? So this is what my analysis of today's Nifty and everything is. So all the best, guys. You can still join webinar if you want to, and I'm looking forward to see you all there. All the best. Have a good day. Bye bye.